Hello there, YouTube. I'm back again. But I'm not here to do a cover. I'm actually here first off to say I'm sorry because I know that some of my covers have sounded really staticky with the sound. And that's because I'm using a mirror phone to do these videos. I don't have a laptop at the moment, and I don't have fancy editing equipment and fancy, doodads and all that. But anyways, that's enough of that. That's just what I want to say. I'm sorry they're a little staticky, but, I do my best on what I have at the moment. Okay, next on the list. I haven't been receiving any emails from you. Maybe you could send, actually, you know what, here, YouTube. I should have another email, because maybe the one I gave you isn't working anymore. Maybe somebody hacked into it, and, because I did have that happen with my other email accounts. So, I want you to try sending emails to amberiscoolice22@gmail.com. Okay? amberiscoolice22@gmail.com. That is my, another one of my emails that I have, and, maybe if you send some emails to that on what you want me to talk about or what you want me to do a cover on, I can, I can get back to you and, give you what you asked for. But that's another email that you can send stuff to me on, because apparently something's going wacky with the other one. But anyways, I guess that's it, actually. I was thinking about saying something else, but I don't know what to say. First, I guess I got to get those emails from you so I can discuss topics that you want to hear about, give you some advice. All right? Peace, and later, YouTube. Bye.